Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the vehicle and taking safety steps. Jack, stands, wheel chocks. Do this now. Once elevated, remove the wheel and mark driveshaft alignment to the differential and transmission yoke so you preserve balance. Next, break loose the flange bolts while the shaft is supported. Drain or plug the diff to reduce spillage. Make sure you have the proper tools: torque wrench, snap ring pliers, brass drift, because you will need them immediately for the next disassembly steps. You now continue by supporting the shafts and exposing the universal joint. First, support the drive shaft on a jack, then remove the flange bolts and gently lower the assembly. Control rotation and torque so nothing swings free. Once accessible, remove retaining clips with pliers, and using a brass drift, tap the bearing caps out evenly, alternate sides to avoid skewing the cross. As caps come out, inspect the yoke bores for wear and measure runout. Clean all debris so the new cross seats correctly. You finish by pressing the new cross squarely into the yoke and fitting the bearing caps in their original positions. Make sure caps are seated evenly. You suppress or drift and alternate sides. Once installed, snap rings must click into the groove, then grease via the zerk until you see 1 to 2 pulses from seals. Reinstall the drive shaft, torque the flange bolts to spec, and lower the car. Finally, test drive at low speed. If vibration appears, recheck torque, balance, and yoke runout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.